just get more at Sunset Ford.
This message is not for everyone. Well, because not everyone drives a Roush performance vehicle. But if you do, or just maybe you've been dreaming about driving one of these babies, check out this news from Sunset Ford of Sumner. Sunset Ford, congratulations. You are officially the #1 dealer in the Northwest region. Thank you for your business. Have a good day. Mark Ray, Regional Manager of Roush Performance. Now, ain't that something? If you're thinking about a Roush Performance vehicle, come see us at Sunset Ford of Sumner. Find out how much more you get from the #1 Roush dealer in the Northwest. Sunset Ford of Sumner, just down the hill from Bonney Lake in Sumner.
You just get more at Sunset Ford.
And people do like that.